Wasal f'Malta l-Bastiment USS Arlington, wieħed mit-tliet bastimenti li ssemma biex ifakkar l-attakki terroristiċi tal-11 ta' Settembru tal-2001. Il-Bastiment rakka fil-Port il-Kbir il-Ħadd u jinsab Malta l-ftit jiem bħala parti minn missjoni fil-Mediterran. Kru ta' One News tal-abbord il-Bastiment Amerikan bil-kaptan Todd Marzano jistqar l-entużjażmu tiegħu li jinsab fil-gżejjer tagħna għall-ewwel darba. Il-Baħrin abbord il-Bastiment li jgħoddu madwar 1000 ħadu l-opportunità biex jinżlu l-art u jgawdu l-ġmil tal-Gżejjer Maltin minkejja li l-maltemp ma tantx ippermetta.
So far on this deployment, we have toured around the Mediterranean. We just did a really exciting exercise up in Greece, and now we're very, very happy to be here in Malta, where we get to tour around. I have never been to Malta before. I know a lot of the crew has never had the opportunity to be here, so we're very, very excited to get to explore this really impressive island.
Waqt iż-żjara tagħna fuq il-Bastiment ilmaħna bosta referenzi għal memorji tal-vittmi tal-attakki tal-11 ta' Settembru. Fuq kollox tispikka l-frażi "We will never forget" fil-mużew li jsellem il-memorja tal-vittmi. Tkellimna wkoll ma' uffiċjali oħra li spjegawlna li l-Bastiment li beda jbaħħar fl-2012 huwa mammar b'diversi vetturi li jinstaqu kemm fil-baħar kif ukoll fuq l-art.
We use these vehicles on any ship-to-shore operations. Let's say we're doing a raid, in which case we go overnight and come back into a withdrawal. We did recently Alexander the Great, so what we did there, we transported the infantry from the ship back onto the shore, and then we did a withdrawal, so we came back onto the ship. We can use these, we can splash these at night, during the day, wherever, on pretty much any kind of beach.
Il-Bastiment iġorru wkoll żewġ helikopters għal ħtiġijiet differenti fosthom dak ta' salvataġġ.
We just recently conducted exercises with Greece, and they were supporting, practicing the missions that these helicopters support, which were predominantly close air support of personnel on the ground and recovery of personnel in case they were in danger.
Wara żjara f'Malta l-Bastiment se jibqa' fil-Mediterran qabel ikompli bil-missjoni tiegħu.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.